If you're looking to get a discount on Amazon Prime, there's a couple ways you can do that, or you may qualify for that. So you may qualify for a government assistance discount based on your income level. And if you click the link in the description, there's going to be this little link to the right-hand side of the page that says receiving government assistance. And so when you click on that link, it's going to take you to the 30-day trial of Prime Access, or just the Prime Access trial or sign up. And that is going to give you all of this Amazon Prime benefits for a discounted price of 50% off. Now, you do have to qualify for this, so go ahead and fill out this form and all the information, but that will basically allow you to then here at the bottom, continue on with that Prime membership, whether you're starting off with that 30-day free trial or you're just getting 50% off or a half off Amazon Prime. Now, if you are a student, or if you're between 18 and 24 years old, you can actually get a different Prime discount that is the same. You get a 6-month trial for $0. That's the longest Amazon Prime trial. You also get 5% cash back if you're on this plan. It's Prime for young adults is what this plan is called. And then after that free trial, or if you're just between this and if you've already done the trial, you actually get Amazon Prime for half off. So you get from government assistance or with Amazon Prime for young adults. If you qualify for either of those, you can get a discount on Amazon Prime up to 50% off, as well as an extended either 30-day or 6-month free trial of Amazon Prime.